How to enable MFA on Fortnite. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site fortnite.com. Once you're in here, tap on this user icon at the top right corner. Now, you simply have to sign into your account. So enter your email address and the password of your account and then sign into your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on Space. Once you have been logged in, you have to head over to your settings, and inside settings, move into password and security. This interface will pop up on your screen. Now what you want to do is scroll all the way down and the option of two-factor authentication will be visible to you. You will be able to see 3 different methods in order to enable two-factor authentication. So one is two-factor authenticator app, other is email address, and the next one is SMS code. You can choose any of the method in order to enable two-factor authentication. Let me choose email for two-factor authentication. Tap on setup right beside it. Now you will receive one security code on your email address. You have to copy that code and then paste it right here. Once you have entered the code, tap on enable email authentication. And there you go, the email for two-factor authentication has been enabled successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can enable MFA on Fortnite. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.